Hello everybody, I'm going to talk about how you can get today's date. What is the date of today? So you can find out today's date from different tool using I'm going to show you right now. So first start with SQL Server. Just go to the SQL. Here is our SQL Server. To get the today's date, you have to write select get date. Get date is a function. Get date, so you have to put the parenthesis. So if you just run this, you will get today's date. Simply you will get today's date and time also. And if you just wanted to remove the time, all you have to do convert it to date. So if you run it now, you can see you just get only the today's date. So get date is function and you can use for get the today's date, and if you wanted to convert, or if you just write print here, so you will get only the message. See, you can see the message and you can say today's date over here. Alright, so simple is that. How about other tools? How about by using the Excel? So let's go to the Excel. In order to get today's date in Excel, you have to write equal sign. You know that any function you write in Excel, you have to start with equal. So you write the equal and just write today's, and then you have to also put the parenthesis. So if you enter it, you'll get also today's date. Today is August 8, 2022. How about other tools like a Power BI? So let's go to the Power BI. Here is the Power BI tool. I came into the table place, the table format here. Just one of the table here, you can see the name, salary, gender. So if you just wanted to create today's date in another column, what you have to do, just simply right click the table and just click the new column and give the date, today's date, and then you just, here is the similar like Excel, you have to use today, and then use the function, parenthesis. So this is the function also. If you just run it, you can see also all the today's date and time as well. But if you wanted to convert it here only the date, all you have to do, go to the format and just choose the format you want. Okay, simple is that. Any format you want, you can change the date over here as well. Okay, now you can see all the changes in SQL Server, Power BI and Excel. How about the Python? Here is the Jupyter Notebook. Here is Jupyter Notebook used for data science. So here, in order to get the today's date, from date and time, you have to import that date. Okay, so you have to write import, you have to write from date and time import date. So if you just run this, and then after that you use it. So you just create one variable, today's date equals to date dot today's. Alright, so if you run it and use the variable, you will get date and time, date 22/8/9. Here is coming in a different format like year first, then month and date. So if you wanted to change the style, so you can change the style, Also you can also import the numpy, and also you can create many different way to date. You can show in a different style as well. Alright, so there are a number of ways I'm just shown how you can get today's date. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.